Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's lecture video I teach you how to write simple C programs in Turbo C++ editor. Already in my laptop this software is installed, that's why I am getting this shortcut on the desktop. In order to start this Turbo C++, just you need to double click on this. You need to wait for some time. We get the Turbo C++ editor with background color as blue. Okay, now you can see that editor is in front of you. Yeah, I hope all of you are able to see this editor. Yeah, very good. Now in this editor only we are going to write the C programs. Okay, no problem. Okay, now what you need to do in order to write the C programs in this editor, you need to know how to work with the options from the menus. You can see the menu bar here. File menu is there, edit menu, search, run, compile, debug, project, options, window, help. Now you can see here no name 00.cpp. This is the new file it has taken automatically. It has taken the file extension as CPP because we are working with C++ editor. You can close this file also. How to close? Go to window menu. Okay, go to window menu. There you can see close. Close means opened file will be closed. Close all means all the open files will be closed. I click on close. Okay, you can see simply editor here. Now what I do, I go for file menu, then new option. I am getting no name 0.cpp. Here I type the program. First of all, one thing I want to explain. What is that? Do you know? This is called editor. I will zoom it first. Sorry, I'll zoom it. Zoom means it maximizes. Okay, no problem. This is called as editor, in which we write the program. Editor is different, screen is different. Now I press Alt plus F5. This is the screen. Okay, black colored one you can see. One line is blinking there, that is called cursor. Okay, press any key from the keyboard, we come back. This is editor. Alt plus F5. This is screen. We get the output on the screen. We write the program in editor. First try to understand the difference. I hope all of you have understood. Very good. Now what I do, I write one program. Already we know what is program. Set of instructions given to a computer system to do specific task is called computer program. But already you know the C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie. He made some rules and regulations, syntax. Then only that compiler will understand. Compiler is a system program. Compiler is a system program that converts the written program from high level language to machine level language, as you know already. Now what I do, I write program. He made some rules. First, how to write a C program? We write first hash, then include in lowercase only. Hash is must. Space or you may use a space or you may not, but include must be in small letter. Then less than, angle bracket. STD stands for standard. I for input, O for output, dot H is for header file, angle bracket completes. What I did, I have included the header file, standard input and output header file. Now after in every C program we add this header file, standard input and output header file. As you know already, every C program contains main function, two parentheses. Okay, void main means void means no values. This program will not return any value back to operating system. Here my program started, here my program completed. And inside the main only we write other instructions. Every C program must contain these many. It is must. Then only the computer system will understand that this is a C program. Hash include stdio.h. This header file includes input and output functions. In the forthcoming classes you will come to know about that. No need to worry. And main is the main function. Without main function there will be no C program. Every C program contains only one main function. Here we write one instruction. For example, I write printf. Printf means print formatted data. You have to write in small letter. That is the rule. Opening parenthesis, double quote, again double quote, shift and double quote, bracket, then semicolon. Semicolon means end of instruction. Now this is what syntax. Printf must printf you write in lowercase, that must be continuous, and no space between print and f, most commonly made mistakes by students. Don't do it, please. Then whatever you write in double quote, that will be displayed. Here I display hearty welcome to BLD's CET Vijaypur. Okay. Now what this program will do? This program will print this message. Okay. Printf will print it. Hearty welcome to BLD CET Vijaypur. Okay. Now this is one computer program. It includes only one instruction. Okay, no problem. Now this message will be displayed on display. You have to save the file. Go for file menu, save. Okay, save. I give the file name as prg1 program1.c. Okay, it is saved as program1.c. You can see the file name here. Then compile. Go for compile menu, compile it. Warnings 0, errors 0. That means written program is correct. Okay, no problem. Now tell the machine to do this work. Go for run and run. Program is executed. That means this message is displayed. Now can you tell me where this message was displayed on the screen? In the beginning only I told you that how to skip to screen, Alt F5. Okay, now I press Alt F5. See here, hearty welcome to BLD CET Vijaypur. Yeah, program is executed. This is called output of that written program. This is whatever now you can see, no, this is called as output of the program. This is what the program. I hope you understood. Now I run the program. Okay, Alt R run, Control F9. Once again this message is displayed. How to see? Okay, how to see? Alt F5. Okay, previously displayed hearty welcome to BLD CET Vijaypur is there. Second time is also displayed. If you run once again, once again it will do the work. Alt F5. Okay, this is what the output. I hope you understood. But I will tell the machine that first clear the screen. Then display the message. I am giving how many instructions now? Now I am giving 2 instructions. Now this program will clear the screen, then this program will print the message. Let us run the program. Run menu, run. Okay, cleared and printed. How to confirm? Alt F5. Oh, nice. Whatever previously displayed text was erased, means cleared, then it is printed. Oh, very nice. Now run the program once again. Now what you need to do? Run the program once again. Run menu, Control F9. Once again cleared and printed. How to confirm? Alt F5. But here every time I am pressing Alt F5, whichever I do not want. That's what I do. I do get ch here. Get ch means get character. It is one input function. It helps us to read a character. In forthcoming classes I teach you about this in detail. No need to worry. Now what the machine will do you know? This program will clear the screen. This program will print the message, and program will wait to get one character. Meanwhile you can see the result. Now run the program. Okay, very good. I have not pressed Alt F5. Program has cleared the screen. Program has displayed the message. Program is waiting for the input. This is what the perfect C program. I hope you have understood. Now instead of hearty welcome to C program, what I do? I type other message here. Dear I and K division students. Dear I and K division students. Very good morning to you all. Very good morning to you all. Now run the program. Dear I and K division students, very good morning to you all. Oh, very good. That's all. Here I display by Professor Chidanand S. Kusur. Okay. Now run the program. Dear I and K division students, very good morning to you all by Professor Chidanand S. Kusur. But I want to display by Professor Chidanand S. Kusur to the next line. Now what I do, before B I type backslash. This is backslash, then N. Backslash N means what do you know? Newland character. Backslash N. Wherever you use it in printf, cursor moves to next line. That means dear I and K division students will be displayed continuously in a single line up to here. Afterwards by Chidanand S. Kusur will be displayed in the next line. Slash N means what happens, do you know? Cursor comes down where on the screen. Now run the program. Oh, dear I and K division students, very good morning to you all by Professor Chidanand S. Kusur. By Professor Chidanand S. Kusur is displayed in the next line. No, because I used their slash N. Now I use one more slash N there only. Now run the program. What happens? You can see one line gap there. Twice I used it. Then what I do? Before very good morning to you all, I use a slash N. Okay. Now dear I and K division students will be displayed. Dear I and K division students will be displayed. Afterwards what happens? Cursor comes down on the screen. Then very good morning to you all. Then I used two times. I used two times here by professors so and so. Run the program. Dear I and K division students, very good morning to you all by Professor Chidanand S. Kusur. Oh, very good. This is what very interesting. Instead of this one only, what I do, I type here hello world. This is what we call hello world C program. I removed everything. Now I run the program. Hello world C program. This is machine is telling to the world that hello world. That is what we call hello world C program. Now I request you to note down this program in your notebook. Write many programs by taking this one as an example. Write one program to display your address. Mr. I display my address. Professor Chidanand S. Kusur. Okay. Slash N. Cursor comes down. House number 91. Okay. Sun City 2. Near Sukun layout. Okay. Near Spurti Resort or Vijaypur. Now run the program. Okay. Professor Chidanand S. Kusur, house number 91, Sun City 2, near Sukun layout, Vijaypur. Again slash N, cursor comes down, then Karnataka, then slash N, then India. Then run the program. Okay. I displayed my address. Like this you can write programs. You can use separate printf also. I used only one printf. You can use one more printf here. Okay, you can cs one more printf, double quote slash N. Cursor comes down. Then I display my email ID. cs.kusur@gmail.com or cs.kusur@gmail.com. Okay. My number is 973-976-2682. Then double quote bracket semicolon. Now run the program. Okay, email ID. I have two email IDs and that is my phone number. Okay, if you have any doubts you can contact. No problem. This is what you can use mini printf like this. Now I request each and everyone to write the program. Now what I do, I delete these messages. Control Y helps us to delete the line. Okay, I go for printf, Control Y, press to delete it. Then double quotes. I type here slash N. Cursor comes down. Enter user name. Okay, double quote. Now run the program. I get the message enter username, enter password. Like this we write the program. I hope in today's class you learned something new. Well and good. I request you to please practice and write some programs by your own. Please send to my Google Classroom so that I can appreciate you. No, that my appreciation is secondary, but you get the knowledge. Please be practice. If you have any doubts, please contact. Okay, thank you. Here only I'll change the printf as have a nice day. Have a nice day. Okay, now I run the program. Have a nice day. Okay, this is from my side. Slash N by Professor Chidanand S. Kusur. Okay, run the program. Have a nice day by Professor Chidanand S. Kusur. Now, like this, I developed a program. That means I developed the software. Oh, very nice. Now what you have to do, go for file menu, then quit. Means your program is available in the secondary memory. This is what all about how to write the C program. In the next class, I upload one more video. I give the demo on other programs. Till then, take care. Please be practice. Thank you. Have a nice day. I will save the file. I will quit. Thank you. Take care.